So as you can see on the roof there's a lot of moss. It's very dry because of the weather that we've had lately. Generally it would be green, but it's this baking on that roof. It doesn't stop it from growing though, and it continues to do so. So yeah, we're gonna come around here and scrape the bulk of that off. Beside the moss, you've got lichen. It starts off as just a small white spore on your roof, and left untreated, obviously it starts to spread. As you can see, some of those tiles there, it's completely covered. So the moss has spread that far. It's almost one piece on the whole roof. It's going to be growing in between the tiles. It's going to be lifting tiles, pushing tiles to the side. So these tiles are literally sliding on top of each other. I saw a couple on the back that had slipped slightly towards the gutter level. So we'll get the lads to sort of slide them back into place. Once all that moss is removed, obviously we'll treat it with the biocide. That will then eradicate the root system that the moss sucks in its moisture from. And there'll be nothing left on the roof apart from a brand spanking new clay-coloured looking clean roof.
All right, mate.
Hello, how you getting on?
Yeah, it's going all right. We already got 3 faces of the roof done.
Yeah?
We're just finishing off the last 2 now. After we've got the ivy creeping up.
Is this stuff up the wall we've got to
Yeah, all of this. We're going to be removing that with the lawn. So we're just going to get on each individual platform. We're going to blast that off. The original plan was just to do the chimney breast. I'm not sure if we're doing a full wall or not, but we'll figure that out as we go.